Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse of my painting Paint Spill. This is part of the exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members. This one is also set up in a paint and sip format for them to do so. If you're interested in watching the full-length version of this video or many others that are available to them, or learning more about the Patreon membership program, which is has a bunch of additional benefits that you can use that will help to increase your artistic and your painting skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a fun, painterly image, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.